Hi everyone! Sometimes there are situations where you need to adjust the text. In particular, when you upload different spreadsheets from different systems, and of course our text is not adjusted. One way that we can use is text function. I prepared the small example for you that we can use for our formula. First of all, we will capitalize the letter using the formula proper. Let's write it. Equal proper. Select the specific cell. Enter. As a result, our letter is capitalized. The second thing is that we have these spaces between the text, between Ben and Matt. So my task is to remove them. For this reason, we have another formula in Excel that is trim, and we can combine it with proper together. Let's type trim. So we will use already the previous formula, proper, text in trim, open the brackets. Okay. One interesting thing is in Excel that you need to open and close so many brackets that you have. In this case, I open one bracket here, one closed, one opened, another here, so we need another one here. Okay, just press enter. As a result, I remove the spaces between the letters and I capitalize the text. Double click on the cell, and as you can see, we completed our task.